Good morning. Today, I'm going to share my analysis for next week, on my 8 favorite financial exchanges, on weekly and daily charts. Trend and directionality are bullish. During the week, the price has made a nice rise, moving away from the upper weekly level. The price is in a rather advanced stage, so I recommend waiting for a small retracement before evaluating any signals. The first interesting target for a possible retracement could be the daily level. Trend and directionality are bullish. Like the last weeks, the movement has been quite weak. Volatility has dropped a lot, even though the movement has been directional. Even in this case, the movement is in a rather advanced phase, therefore, I recommend waiting for a small retracement before evaluating any operations. The first interesting target for a possible retracement could be the daily level, which corresponds to the daily EMA 20. Trend and directionality are bullish. During the week, the price attempted a rise, making a new high but closing with a bearish candle. The directionality is still bullish, at least for the moment, and so, during the week, I will evaluate any bullish signals. An interesting pattern could be the price bounce off the daily level, followed by a nice bullish candle. Trend and directionality are bullish. During the week, the price has undergone a small retracement, however, the directionality has not changed. The price is still above the weekly upper level, which may prevent it from falling. As I said last week, I will avoid trading on this exchange for the next few weeks, due to the Brexit issue, which could destabilize the UK market. Both the trend and directionality are bullish. During the first days of the week, the price has made another rise, retracing half of the movement the last 2 days. Observing the weekly chart, it's evident that the bullish phase is quite extensive. In fact, of the last 10 candles, only one is red and moreover very small. Since the movement is in a very advanced stage, I will wait for a possible retracement that allows me to buy back this trade at a better price. The first interesting target for a possible retracement could be the daily level, near of the daily EMA 20. Both the trend and directionality are bearish. During the week, this exchange has undergone an unconvinced retracement. In fact, the body of the candle is almost nil. Before evaluating any operations, I will wait for a small retracement, able to bring the price back to near the daily level, which corresponds to the lower weekly level. Both the trend and directionality are bearish. During the week, the price attempted a fall, retracing half of the movement in the last 2 days. On the daily chart, we can see that the MACD oscillator is composed only of divergences. As in the case of the GBP/USD exchange, I will avoid following any signals as the movement is in an extremely advanced phase. I will therefore wait for a retracement, able to bring the price back to the first daily level. Both the trend and directionality are bearish. In recent months, this exchange has lost a lot of volatility. In fact, the candles are particularly small, like those of this week. The candle is against directionality, but it is also particularly small, so the weekly analysis does not change. Before evaluating any bearish signals, I will wait for a small retracement. The first interesting target could be the daily level, while the second interesting target could be the daily EMA 100, which is very close to another daily level. Thank you, and see the next week.